Big jobs cannot be done alone. They require teamwork, coordination, and a strong spirit to complete every stage successfully. Just like splitting logs using a sawmill, every team member plays an important role, from preparing the logs, guiding the cuts, to ensuring safety and precision. Everyone works together to make the process smooth and efficient. With a solid team and years of experience, heavy work becomes easier, safer, and produces high-quality lumber ready for various uses. Watch the video until the end and see how teamwork turns hard work into amazing results.